today's video, I'm super excited to show you how I typically season my chicken. So for every video from now on that I make with chicken, this is how I normally season my meat. I usually start with the powders, and then I get into like the onion, scallion, thyme, all that stuff. But I'm going to show you step by step how I do that, and try to add some measurements in that, because it's very hard for me because I don't usually cook with measurements, but I'll try my best for you guys. So I've went ahead and I have cleaned the chicken as much as I want it to. I've washed it in some vinegar water, and I took off most of the skin, not all, because it depends on what I'm doing with the chicken. I might take off all of the skin, or I might just leave some of it on, but today I didn't take off a lot. So I usually start by adding some salt, and we're going to get a spoon. I'm going to show you how much salt I usually put on. Just that much on there. Black pepper. About that much. You can add some more. And Mrs. Dash. And what I do is I just sprinkle, like there's no measurements for how much I use. I just sprinkle as much. Then I go in with my Grace all-purpose seasoning, and I do the same. I just sprinkle. And then I go in with my Grace chicken seasoning. And again, I just sprinkle enough. Take my time. Cut it. I usually, like when I get it from the supermarket, I dry it. So this is dried. Scallion. Garlic, my onion, So now that I've added all my powder seasoning and cut all my other seasonings, what I usually do is just take my hand and just mix it up together and make sure everything is rubbed nice and equal. the day before I actually want to cook the meal. So I'll season it and then cover it, put it in the fridge, not the freezer, in the fridge for the night. Take it out and then everything will be ready. It'll be nice and seasoned. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys.